Hello friends and welcome back to the TechRegen channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS ZenScreen Smart Monitor MS27UC with Google TV. So friend, ASUS has announced ZenScreen Smart MS27UC, the brand first Google TV Smart Monitor. Google TV bring together movies, shows and more from a variety of streaming services and offer users a personalized entertainment experience in the ZenScreen Smart MS27UC boasted 27-inch 4K resolution with IPS panel, a wide viewing angle of 178 degree and 99% of sRGB color gamut, and VESA DisplayHDR 400 certification and dual front-facing 5-watt Harman Kardon-certified speaker and source control. Feature enable viewers to easily switch between productivity or play modes. With the ZenScreen Smart MS27UC, there is no need for dedicated PC. User can conduct online meeting and browse content via the web browser, and the logging into a Google account allow them to create and sync work and document on Google Workspace. And the monitor also offers seamless connection to multiple devices including PC and smartphone through Miracast and Google Cast, and the multi-control feature enabling seamless navigation via a single Bluetooth mouse and keyboard. And the monitor has a stylish and functional design that includes spatial acoustic fabric and convenient storage compartment at the rear of monitor, and its ergonomic stand provide -15 degree to +18 degree tilt and 100 mm of height adjustment to ensure comfortable eye level viewing. And smart design cable management feature keeps wire organized for a clutter-free setup. And with the Google TV, user can get corrected recommendation and Google's powerful search and 5,000 of movies and so across 10,000 plus apps, and they can use their voice to find shows, play music, control smart home devices and more. With personalized watch list and profile, and everyone experience is customized for them. In the built-in Harman Kardon speaker deliver a warm and dedicated sound signature to deliver rich listening experience. And while the 27-inch 4K panel offer 99% sRGB color gamut and VESA Display HDR 400 certification. So friend, the connectivity option including wireless connectivity option and USB Type-C with 90-watt power delivery, HDMI DisplayPort and 2 USB hub to connect laptop, smartphone and tablet. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.